Hello guys, this is Silver here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another boom and crash strategy, another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Alright, so I'll keep this video very simple and short. Alright, so before I share with you the way you would trade with this strategy, I'll first of all share the settings. Alright, so first of all, you have to click on this N icon over here. Now the first indicator here is the moving average, this one right here. So these are the parameters. The period is 20, the shift is 0, the method is exponential, apply to close. Under the style we have 4 pixel and the color is blue. So after that you click on done. Now on our indicator window 1, we have the stochastic oscillator. Alright, so you have to add the stochastic oscillator in order to get the indicator window 1. So now these are the parameters. Alright, so you have to make everything 1 here, and then under the price field you have to make it low high. Alright, then the method you keep it simple. Then under the style you have to make it 1 pixel, color white. The signal 1 pixel, the color is white, which is the color of your background, right? Then under the levels you have to make it 15 and 85, right? You choose 15 here and then 85. The style, you have 2 pixel, the color is black so that it will reflect on your chart. Alright, that is if you are using a white background. After that you go back and then you click on done. Right, now after adding your stochastic oscillator, you are going to have the indicator window 1. Here you have this icon. Alright, so before you add the MACD, you have to click on this icon here. Then you search and add the MACD. Now these are the parameters for the MACD, right? You can see, make sure you set everything same as this one. They apply to close. Under the style we have the main, which is 3 pixel, the color is red. The signal, which is 3 pixel also, and the color is black, right? So this is all you need to know concerning this one, and you have to set it to all time frames, right? So after that you click on done and then you go back. You're going to have a screen like this. Alright, so now how does this strategy work? First of all, you are going to allow the MACD main line to get to the 85 level, which is your overbought level, right? So whenever there is a spike and it gets to that level, right, the next thing you have to wait for is to wait for a crossing. You need to wait for the main to start crossing below the MACD signal line, which is the black line there. So whenever you start seeing that crossing below it, that is a early signal telling you that yes, the price is about to reverse. Alright, so this is a scalping strategy, right? You have to use this strategy to take the regular candles, which is these small ticks here, from the boom and crash market. Alright, you have to use this strategy to get it without spike. Alright, so now this is what you have to do. Just like I've said, whenever there is a spike and it starts crossing below it, that is an early signal telling you that price is about to reverse. And now you can see that is going to happen before the crossing on the main chart, right? Now after you see that crossing, you look here on the main chart, you see price going towards the blue. So whenever it crosses below the blue, right, that is where you are to take your entry, and you are to go in for 4 or 5 candles, you are out. All right, let's say 4 candles, you are out. All right, you'll be safer with 4 candles and then you are out. Right, let me show you another example. So you see, whenever it gets to the whenever it gets to the um whenever it gets to the overbought level, you wait for the crossing on the indicator level first, and then after that you wait for the final confirmation on the main chart, then you take your entry. It's as simple as that, guys. Very simple strategy, right? So you make sure you are not greedy with this strategy. Make sure you stick to all I've said. Now this is why you need to wait for the crossing on the main chart. You can see here on the indicator window it has crossed it below, but on the main chart it has not yet crossed. So you can see there was this spike here. Then when it crosses, which is safe, you take your 4 candles, 4 to 5 candles, and you are out. Alright, so it's as simple as ABCD, guys. A very simple strategy, but very profitable. Okay, so that is all I have on this one. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Because here on my channel I post powerful strategy like this from time to time, and I also do price action analysis, showing you how to do your analysis in order to get profitable entry. Alright, so if that is what's going to interest you, make sure you do subscribe, and let's make this money together. Okay, so that is all for today. See you guys in the next video. Silver out.